How are you all? I hope all of you fine. Children, in previous class, we have completed English lesson number 9, a book for Puchku. Yes, and today all of you take out your classwork notebook and write down all the new words. Okay, all of you take out your classwork and write down all the new words. Okay, first let us read. Afterwards, you will be noting down all the words. Okay, children, all of you now read along with me all the new words. Afterwards, you can write in your classwork notebook. Okay. So, what you are going to do in your classwork notebook? You have to take new page and write down lesson number 9 and name of the lesson. A book for Puchku. Okay. And then keep heading new words. Okay. Then start writing all the words. Okay. While writing, you have to read. Read and write. Okay. First one is what? Hobby. H-O-B-B-Y. Hobby. Homework. H-O-M-E. Home. W-O-R-K. Work. Homework. I-N-S-T-E-A-D. Instead. S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T. Straight. L-I-N-E. Line. Straight line. Next. Funny. F-U-N-N-Y. Funny. T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. Together. S-E-N-T-E-N. Sentences. C-E-S. Sentences. Okay. C-R-I-E-S. Cries. W-H-I-S-P-E-R-S. Whispers. B-O-O-K. Book. S-H-E-L-F. Shelf. Bookshelf. W-A-S-H-I-N-G. Washing. L-I-N-E. Line. Washing line. C-L-I-M-B. Climb. H-E-A-V-Y. Heavy. C-O-M-P-L-A-I-N-S. Complaints. L-I-B-R-A-R-I-A-N. Librarian. S-A-D-L-Y. Sadly. L-I-S-T-A-N-I-N-G. Listening. Okay. Hobby means what? Whenever you feel free, you will be doing some or the other work repeatedly. That is called as hobby. Like watching TV, cooking, playing cricket, okay, or chit-chatting, or reading books. Okay, whatever you will be doing repeatedly when you feel free at any time, you will be doing the same work repeatedly. That is called to be as hobby. Okay. Next one is homework. Homework. Every day you will be doing your homeworks, no? Yes? Okay. Instead means instead of doing something, we will be doing the other thing. That is instead. Straight line. Everybody know what is a straight line? Yes? Funny. Funny means the words which make us feel laugh. The words which make us laugh are funny. Together means all together. Okay. Sentences. Everybody you know sentences. First letters. Letters will be forming. Then words will be forming. All the words together forms a sentence. Okay. And then cries. Cries means what? All of you, when you will be asking something to your father, if he will not bring, you will definitely cry. Yes or no? Okay. That's cries. Next, whispers. Whispers means talking softly. Talking softly. Okay. Bookshelf. Bookshelf means where you keep your books. The shelf where you keep your books. Washing line means what? A rope on which you'll be hanging all the clothes and all. Okay. Next, climb. Climb means to go upstairs like that, or to go to the top of the tree or something. That is climb. Next, heavy. Heavy means weight. Okay. Next, complaints. Complaints means giving complaint or telling something on the other. That is complaints. Librarian. A person who looks after library. Okay. Librarian. Sadly. When you feel unhappy or disappointed, that is called as sadly. Listening means you are listening to the class. You are listening to video class. Or if your mother or father says something, you will be listening to them. Understand? That is listening. Okay. Now all of you write down in your classwork notebook. You now take out page number 19 here. Okay. Let us discuss. Okay. These are the 2 question and answers you have to write down in your classwork notebook. After finishing your new words, leave one line or take another page and then write the heading. Let us discuss. First question. What does Puchku love to do? Okay. Puchku loves to read books. Okay. Who helps Puchku take out the book in the end? Librarian helps Puchku take out the book in the end. That's all. Okay. All of you read and write in your classwork notebook. Okay. WHAT what? DOES does what does? PUCHKU Puchku. LOVE love. TO2 do. Love to do. What does Puchku love to do? Puchku. PUCHKU Puchku. LOVES loves. TO2 READD BOOKS books. Read books. Puchku loves to read books. Okay. WHO who? HELPS helps. PUCHKU Puchku. TAKE OUT out take out. THE the BOOK book. IN THE END end. Who helps Puchku take out the book in the end? Who helps Puchku take out the book in the end? The LI BRA librarian RIAN librarian. HELPS helps. PUCHKU Puchku. TAKE OUT out take out. THE the BOOK book. IN THE END end. The librarian helps Puchku take out the book in the end. Okay. All of you now write down in your classwork.